NordVPN refund. What is NordVPN money-back policy? NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee for its services. Here's a detailed explanation of the policy. Key points of the money-back policy. 1. Eligibility. You can request a refund within 30 days of purchasing your subscription. Refunds are only applicable to the initial purchase. Renewed subscriptions are not eligible unless required by applicable law. 2. Refund process. Refunds can be requested through Nord's customer support team via live chat or email. Once the refund is approved, the money will be credited back to your account within 10 business days, depending on your payment method. 3. Third-party purchases. If you purchased NordVPN through platforms like the Apple App Store, Amazon App Store, or Google Play Store, you must contact those platforms directly for refunds. NordVPN cannot process refunds for subscriptions purchased through third-party retailers. 4. Automated refund system. NordVPN has implemented an automated refund system for faster and more efficient processing. Eligible payments will display a refund button in your Nord account dashboard. Steps to request a refund. 1. Log into your Nord account, https://nordvpn.com/nordvpn-cancellation-and-refund-process, and navigate to the account dashboard. 2. Contact customer support via live chat or email and request a refund. 3. Verify your account and follow the instructions provided by the support team. 4. If eligible, click the refund button in your dashboard to complete the process. Important notes: data backup. If you use other Nord security products like NordPass or NordLocker, ensure you back up your data before canceling your subscription. Feedback. NordVPN encourages users to provide feedback during the refund process to improve their services. You can find more details on Nord's official blog, https://nordvpn.com/blog/nordvpn-cancellation-and-refund-process, or support page, http